From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using old and worn-out mattress covers that just don't cut it anymore? I just discovered the washable mattress cover from Generic and it's been a total game changer. This product is seriously lightning fast and easy to set up, which is a must for anyone who values convenience. One of the things that really impressed me about this cover is its color fastness. It can withstand time and wear, and it doesn't fade after washing, which means it'll stay looking great for a long time. I've washed it multiple times and it still looks and feels like new, plus it can be machine washed without deformation or shrinkage, which is a huge plus. The material is incredibly soft, delicate, and absorbent. You can literally sleep on it without any other sheets, it's that comfortable. The solid fiber seam is also washable and not easy to knot, which means it'll stay intact even after multiple washes. This product is extremely popular and well-reviewed. Many customers have purchased and loved it, and for good reason. The fact that it can wrap a mattress so tightly and still feel soft to the touch is amazing. It's like sleeping on a cloud. In real-life use, I found that this cover is way better than others I've tried. It's breathable, quiet, and doesn't make any annoying rustling sounds when you move around. Overall, I'm really happy with the washable mattress cover. It's a great product that's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new mattress cover. It's easy to use, comfortable, and durable. What more could you ask for? If you're looking to upgrade your bedroom with a high-quality mattress cover, I'd definitely recommend giving this one a try. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.